Hi Niruphan, hi Karthikeyan. Congratulations on being selected as speakers for Global Testing Retreat by Agile Testing Alliance happening on December 11th. I would be requesting you to please introduce yourselves.
Hi Pallavi, this is Niruphan Rajendran. I am working as a senior technical consultant in Qualitas Group.
Okay.
So my expertise is with non-functional engineering services, and always we strive to present our ideas in wider conferences and meetups. And last year as well, we were part of ATA GTR,
Okay.
where we presented our IoT paper. And this year we want to come up with a different emerging trend, AAML. So that's where we are, and we are located in UK
Okay.
currently. And,
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Niruphan. Karthikeyan, would you please introduce yourself?
Sure. Thanks, Niruphan. So this is Karthik, who works again in Qualitas Groups along with Niruphan. And we, myself, predominantly plays the senior technical consultant role, specifically into the non-functional domain in terms of performance, accessibility, operational acceptance testing, and security.
Okay.
So as Niruphan put it, right? Yeah. So NFT plays a vital role in coming up goals, which is that too in pandemic situation, right? We wanted to share our ideas and innovative thoughts on new emerging technologies, being that artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Okay.
So that's the main reason for it. And yeah, we've been very glad to invite us on the conference speaker. This is the consecutive second time I would say we've been invited. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for submitting it in the first place, and jury did love your topic. So the topic is unlocking the power of machine learning in mobile NFT world. Would you please, Niruphan, would you like to tell us what audience can expect from it?
Yeah, Pallavi. Yeah. So this paper, right? So this is predominantly an idea which emerged based upon a challenge we faced actually.
Okay.
So at first place, we have, so the world is moving towards, DevOps is moving towards a different versions of different DevOps worlds, right? Where business want something to predict for the future volumes or future growth in terms of enhancing their business. So as a quality assurance specialist, always business strive to ask a question, or they have a challenge in front of them in predicting their future businesses, right?
Okay.
So what we thought is like we are doing non-functional engineering testing, and all of those are coming into place, and mobile plays a vital role in these situations, right? And there is a AAML piece which is an emerging with a lot of deep learning and a lot of learnings that are coming into place, where it has a potential of huge power.
Right.
So where we have a mobile in other hand. So we want to merge both these ideas, and we want to see how a prediction, how a business can predict their growth, or how we can help the business to enhance their growth or enhance their business, right? So that's the first point, or that's the first challenge we had.
Okay.
So what we thought is like, okay, why not merge two of the emerging trends and come up with the outcome which can help business. So
Okay.
that's a basic idea of this paper, and that's where we used the power of machine learning.
Right.
And we went with a lot of algorithms, and with that algorithm what we did is like we want to predict the growth and of the mobile, using the mobile whatever the responsiveness or its potential performance stuffs, whatever it is, right? So we want to predict it, and we want to present it to business so that they can enhance their views. So that's a major idea of this paper.
Okay, good to know that, Niruphan. And would you like to add something to it, Karthikeyan?
Absolutely. Yeah. To add further on it, right? So now the world is moving into more digital fashion, right? So the expectation of the usage of each and every social medias and the apps, right? The number of footprints is huge. Considering the footprints is huge, right? Obviously, the people who doesn't be near to the advanced devices or advanced technologies, right? The people still will be using into an older devices with an older technology, but still the intention is to use the digital apps, isn't it? So our intention is to support how the older people or the older devices also can be able to withstand with the new technology, with an upfront technology altogether. to do that right, business will be always looking for an prediction. That's something
Okay.
we wanted to do further and make sure the digital footprints are absolutely comfortable for mass use of volume. That's the main
Okay.
intention of doing that.
Okay, great. That's a great insight to your talk. So I'm sure audience would learn a lot about these new technologies of implementing NFT and the mobile and marrying machine learning and AI ML techniques with it. One question I have is that does the audience need to have an idea about AI? Like they should then have very deep knowledge, or if they have introductory knowledge, still it would be okay for them to learn.
Having an introductory knowledge is more than enough, Pallavi.
Okay,
So because everyone is using mobile,
right.
so all the people are using mobile, so they know what mobile is, what app is, and
Mhm.
how responsiveness play a key role in mobile app. So they are pretty much aware of what's going on with the
Okay,
current world and current situation. So they can come with an open mind and they
okay.
can join our paper.
Absolutely. So I'm sure people going to love this idea and they
Sure.
will definitely get excited as well.
Right.
Pretty much not required of deep learning as well. Mentioned.
Okay. Okay. That's all. Okay. Great. Thank you so much for bringing this topic for the conference, and we are eagerly waiting to hear you on December 11th. Thank you so much, Karthik, and thank you, Nirupan.
Thanks, Pallavi. Thanks, Pallavi, for organizing this interview, and really looking forward for presenting our paper in the wider conference. Yeah.
Sure. Thanks.
Indeed. Yeah.